Alright, let's see how long this really takes. Go to modules, scroll down to last week's. Let's click on a written assignment. See how long it's going to take. Download submissions. While that's downloading, I can create a new folder. Label it US History Spring 2019. Okay, I was creating a new folder. Okay, over here. So these are my kids' assignments. Just go up here. Okay, oops, let me show you this. Just clicked on that. Now let me expand this over. Okay, so I clicked on that, and I go copy the US Spring 2019. Copies, I'm done. All those work samples are in that folder. It's that quick. There they are. Work samples are in the folder. It probably took me less than a minute. Really, people? Come on now.